Dudley, and I'm at a Jamaican restaurant called the Bamboo Hut Cabin Restaurant and Bar. 01384 918 300. So I'm gonna go in now and see what kind of meal I can get. All right. I must say, when I called the gentleman on the phone, the customer service was top notch. Was verifying permission to, if I could just film what I see here. So guys, as I was saying, I'm at Bamboo Hut Caribbean and Bar Restaurant. So I've just spoken to the great customer service. So here's the entrance, seats are here. There's a bar. It looks as if, I don't know, at night they probably have a party or something like that. You have tables here, 1, 2, 3, 4 tables. The decor is really good. Typical Jamaican color. Runner here, Miss Price, and the great use and bowl. So I'm gonna go inside, and this is what you see. So you can see the typical Jamaican. So I'm gonna get a cup of soup. The soup is served actually in a bowl with one size 5 pounds, but he's gonna give me a cup for about £2.50, and then I'm gonna order my meal. I'll let you know how the meal is. All right. So this is the Bamboo Hut Cabin Restaurant and Bar, 4918 300. If you're in the Dudley, Birmingham area, I would say come and have check it out. Now, I haven't had the meal as yet. I'm only here because of the gentleman who answered the phone. He's amazing, very warm, very positive, typical, warm-hearted Jamaican. Now, let's see if his vibes match, if the food matches his vibes. All right, I'll give you some feedback on that after. All right, cheers.